Hey everyone, I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEAM activities. Do you like candies such as M&Ms or Skittles? Today, we are going to create art with those candies. Sounds sweet! The materials we need today are a white plate, warm water, and sugar-coated candies. I have M&Ms and Skittles. Arrange candies on a white plate in circle. Pour warm water onto the center of the plate. Don't forget to ask an adult for help. Wait a few minutes and see what happens. Now, let's talk about how and why it works. The candies used in this experiment are coated with sugar. Let me cut this candy in half to show you. Can you see the sugar coating on the candy? Sugar dissolves in water. When you pour water, the colored sugar starts to dissolve in water and moves along with water. You can see the sugar melted only on the part that meets the water. Today, we created sweet artworks. This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye!